Yeah, meeting started, so please join the meeting. Okay.
Okay, so we can start now. So in the previous session, we have started our hands-on part. Basically, not hands-on, we can say it's introduction to the BTP side, and then we have seen the different services available under BTP. And apart from that, we have also created these for the ABAP instance, and then we have configured that ABAP system into the Eclipse. And then we have created one package, so we are good with the package now. So let's quickly start with some very basic things. And then why I'm doing these basic things here is maybe because in Eclipse you have not uh, created as of now. Some of you have created, some of you may not have created the DDC objects. So it will just take 10-15 minutes. We'll have a quick walkthrough on that. Okay. So in the previous session, we have created this package, and under that, let me expand this. So there is no object as of now. So we can also just click on refresh here. Okay, I think no need to log in again and all. So now what we'll do is we'll go and do a right click here and then create a web repository object, and we'll go to the. We are starting today with very basic things. Okay, so now here what we have is we have a data element domain. So this is something which you can go and you can create from here. So just quickly, we'll take just 10-15 minutes here, and then we'll go on the table directly. So here, you can just create a domain by providing some name zb30 underscore dom underscore uh, demo. Okay. So here we can just say domain, and all these things what you have done in your normal on-premise system. Similar thing here when you work with the on cloud also. Or even though if you're working on premise on Eclipse, same option. Because in GUI we used to do it via S11, but here it is changed. So now here you can give once this will get load. So basically you can go and you can give the data type here. So you can do always control space, and control space will show you the available data type in that particular system here. Okay, so you can just take any of the data type. Let's say, for example, I'm taking care. Then you can give the output length. Sorry, here length. Maybe I can say char 10. And then what you can do is you can basically add any conversion routines you have, or any fixed value at the domain level, interval, value table. All those things like what you see in S11, all options are here. And then you can activate it like that. You can quickly create a domain. So what will happen on the left hand side under your package, you will see a something called dictionary gets created. Under dictionary, you will have a folder for domain. Right now, we don't have any data element here, so you can also right click on the dictionary and then you can go for a new. So here you will see you can create your data element. So here you can just see, you can give some data element name. Just give some description. And here you will see whatever we have as a part of the C11 dictionary objects, same thing will be available here. So basically what you can do is you can select from category. Do you want to give domain predefined type? All those options are here. You can give the domain type. So just now we have created some domain. So you can just basically do control space. It will give you a suggestion. This is just now we have created the domain. And then here you can see it takes the property. You can give the levels like how we give at the data element level. And then under the additional properties here, you can assign parameter ID, all those options like what we see. So this is quickly on the data element side. Now let's go and create a table. Why we are creating a table here is in RAP, there are four scenarios are there. We have one is your uh, managed scenario. Second is your unmanaged scenario. Third is your manage with unmanaged save. And fourth is your manage with additional save. So we will be starting with very first scenario called manage. So manage scenario when we have to use when there is no legacy code to use. So for example, I have a complete application which is custom in nature, means we are not using any of the standard table, let's say, or we don't have BAPs and all to perform CRUD operations. Standard APIs are not available to or function modules to basically reuse those code during create, update, delete. So in RAP, where um, have any existing code to reuse, we go for managed scenario. And unmanaged scenario is a scenario where legacy code is available to reuse. So for example, I'm creating an application which will create a sales order. So for that, already we have BAPI available, which will create a sales order. So creation will be taken care by the BAPI. But for custom objects or custom development, let's say all development, entire development has a custom objects, including DB tables and all. So in that case, you don't have anything standard to reuse. So in those scenario, we go for a manage. So in our training, we will start with manage first. So I mean, I will give you all those overview, but before that, we need at least 3 to 4 sessions to go with the basics. Right now, in the basics, then we'll talk about in brief about manage and all. So time being, what I will do is I'll create a custom table which we'll use later. Okay. So for example, how so this is how we go create a table and all. So you can see the folders are getting created for that. Similarly, I can create a right click it over here and then we'll go and we create a DB table. So there are certain table provided by SAP which we can go and reuse. So for example, let me just cancel this, close this, and this also. I'll show you some table. So in trial account, the tables are available with DMO, the starting name with as slash DMO slash. Okay. So for example, you can see this is data definition. This is your database table. This is your database table. This is also your database table. This is also your database table. So just maybe I'll open one database table here. Let's say this is also one database table. So generally in Eclipse, we create using defined table. The syntax we use define table to create a table here. So this is how we go right in our traditional GUI. We what we have is we have a basically graphical based kind of GUI editors where we go and sorry, I think somehow my Zoom got crashed. I got the message that Zoom is crashed. Let me. Oh, I'm not the host. Okay, just give me 1 second. I'm calling to get the host access. Just a moment. Okay, so I just requested to get the this access, host access so that I can share my screen. Yeah, somehow this got crashed. I was getting a message that the Zoom got crashed. Now I logged in again. So let me now share my screen. Okay, so entire screen. Yes. Okay, so I'm sharing it again. My screen. Okay. So what I was saying was, I think you're not seeing my screen because this is small pop-up. Let me, and can anyone confirm if you're able to see my screen?
Not yet.
What is happening? Not yet, no? All of a sudden, this Zoom is suddenly getting some issue with the Zoom. I always, let me, Okay, I don't know what issue is there. So I'm again I joined from my this web version. Some issues there. Let me just click here and share the entire screen. I joined from the browser option. I think I need to reinstall this Zoom again. Let me cancel this. Cancel. What is this? Uh it is very weird. Okay, let me hide this. So are you able to see now my screen?
Not yet.
Not yet. It says I'm sharing my screen. I'll stop share and let me. All of it was working fine. Somehow the Zoom application is gatekeeping. It's keeping crash. So I'm just again join from the browser option. I'm not sure here if you are able to see the screen. Let me see if I can. The preview is showing as a blank only for me. I don't know what issue is. Uh, I have shared one particular share time. Okay, let me choose. Click on share again. For me, still it is showing as a blank. I don't know why all of a sudden it is happening like this. Uh, Zoom stop share. What I should do here? Okay. Uh, Let me from where I can do that. Again, I'm stopping it again. Share it. The entire screen. All of a sudden, this I think I need to reinstall the Zoom application. I'm not sure because for me it is showing that sharing screen. I mean, I'm getting. I don't know if I can share the chat box. This is screenshot. Let me see if it allows. Already it's okay. No, not like this. I think I need to because for me it is showing share screen. All of a sudden it is stopped and it is keep crashing. But from the web browser it is not crashing. So let me try if I can uh, click here to join from.
Recording in progress. Recording in progress. Recording in progress. Recording in progress.
I joined from both this browser. Let me see. Got crashed again. Mm, right. Mm. Yeah, I'm facing some issue with the Zoom. Let's fix this first.
Sir, any
Okay.
permissions we need to give? Just
No, no, and actually what is happening is I'm getting this. I'll share you the word screen on WhatsApp. It is when I'm trying to share my screen, it is getting blank every time. I think some issue with my Zoom only. I need to reinstall my Zoom. Hello. Sorry, I think I need to because when I'm trying to share my screen, this issue is there. So let me reinstall my Zoom. I think it is already wasting your a lot of time. So what I will do is I'll fix this first. I mean, in the first half of in the 10-15 minutes, it was working fine, but all of a sudden it is stopped. So when I'm trying to share, it is getting crashed. So I think I need to install and it may take better. I don't want to test your timing. So let me first and we will continue in the next session and discuss because only challenge I'm facing when I'm sharing this issue is coming up. Sorry for this. I'll get it. I'll get this fixed. But yeah, we can talk. I'm audible.
yes, sir.
Uh,
Yeah, hi, Krishna. If any doubts, you can talk to Kamal. Yeah, Krishna Reddy, are you there?
I can see him here in the call. Okay. So for others, I mean, if you have any question, we can discuss right now. But I mean, when I'm trying to share my screen, suddenly this issue is coming up. So I need to. I'm already installing the Zoom again. So I'll get it fixed before the session, next session. Meanwhile, any open questions, anything into your mind, we can discuss about that. Can you hear me? Anyone?
Yes, we can hear you.
Okay, yeah. Sorry about this Zoom issue. Okay, so let me fix this. Uh, before the next session, I mean, because if I do it now, all this it may take 10, 15 minutes, so it will waste everyone's time. So I'll get it fixed and we will connect it next session. Meanwhile, I'm here. I mean, if anybody any doubt, any questions in the mind, that we can discuss, because as soon as I go and share the screen, this crash is happening.
Yeah, next session is Monday online.
Monday, yeah.
Okay. Yeah, I'm good. Thank you.
All right. Okay. Yeah. Thanks.
Yeah, Krishna Reddy. Any doubts? Hello. Yeah, Krishna Reddy, are you there?
Rajendra, I don't see a response from him. So maybe what we can do is, if he has some doubt specific to something, if he has said, then we can connect on call and we can discuss with him.
Krishna Reddy.
Okay. So anyone any questions there? Then we can continue here in this call. Any doubt or any general doubt about the course or something, because we are just starting now itself. So we can discuss. If you don't have questions, then probably we can connect on Monday before, and I'll get this issue fixed for the Zoom.
Online, sir. Yeah. Just a minute. Yeah, Rishikesh, any doubts?
Okay. So I mean, anyone, any issue, any discussion, anything you want and to discuss, because this Zoom is creating issue for me while sharing the screen. We can discuss about that. I mean, if there is no questions, then we can drop. Otherwise, if you have question, we can continue in the call.
Yeah, we'll see 2 more minutes, sir. We'll end up the call, sir, today. We'll meet on Monday.
Okay. So meanwhile, I will install my clips. Sorry, Zoom.
Okay. Zoom. Yeah, hi Krishna. Yeah, Kamal is online.
Hi. No, actually, I have to go through the first session and then I'll like get back to you.
Okay.
I'm new to this lab programming.
Yeah,
So
if anything related to
let
subject
me.
wise, just talk to Kamal, sir. Actually, Kamal is facing some issue with the Zoom. Actually, he's trying to share the screen, but he's
Yeah,
unable to
Krishna. So
share.
actually, in the starting 10-15 minutes, it was working fine. All of a sudden, it is showing me whenever I'm trying to
Nice.
share my screen, so it is getting crashed. So maybe like you said, you need to go through the first session. So you can go through it. If any doubt you have, then probably you can discuss with Rajendra, and we can have a call tomorrow. I mean, we can
Yeah,
discuss.
sure, sure.
And if you're from, so you're from a ABAP background, or you have a different background?
Yeah, I'm a web developer.
Then great. Yeah, so I think you need to go to the first session, because that will clarify a lot of doubts about RAP, why it is important for us. I have also a good experience in the ABAP. I'm also from the same background. So if you have any doubt, anything, we can discuss.
Okay, sure. Definitely. Thank you.
All right. Yeah. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you very much. Thanks.